There is too much chrome on the front end of the Q5 for my liking, so I'm going to slowly start to get rid of the chrome pieces as I find the replacement parts. In this video, I'll be replacing the fog light grills because I was able to find a set of black optics fog light grills. So in this video, I will show you guys how I'll be replacing the fog light grills. So here's the set of the black optics fog light grills that I bought. I got these off of the Facebook Marketplace and I bought them for 40 bucks. These are actually OEM and are still in pretty good condition. You know, a funny story about these is that I actually bought these a year ago down in SoCal, being so set on buying an SQ5. But never bought an SQ5 and actually just bought this black Q5 you see here that's an S-line, and these should fit the Q5 just fine. Now let's get these guys installed onto the Q5. So these grills are actually pretty simple to replace. All you do is basically just pop them out and pop the new ones in. So for example, on this one, just carefully, forcefully pull it here. See it's popped out already, and the top as well. Oh, there it goes. Now let's get this black optics fog light grill in. So you do is insert it into the two slots there first, and then pop in the clips. And there it is, pretty simple and straightforward. That's how you replace the fog light grills. Now let's take a look at it side by side. Passenger side black optics and driver side regular. Let me actually give you a closer look with both of these fog lights together so you can see the difference. So you see there, the fog light trim area right here is chrome, and then there's a little chrome strip line there. And then of course the black optics is just all black all around. If you are finding this video to be helpful so far, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel to stay updated on videos like these that could possibly help you guys out on future installs. Now let's finish replacing that driver side. So just like the passenger side, just carefully and forcefully tug on the fog light grills on this side out, and then pull out from that end here. Alright, so first, like the other side, insert these two tabs into the slot here, and then pop it in on this side here. And there it is. That looks so much better without the chrome. Now to find an SQ5 black optics center grill. If you guys have any further questions about the replacement, just comment it down below and I will try my best to help you guys out. Now, a bunch of you guys are asking me about the specs on the wheels that I just threw on the Q5. If you guys want the details on that, make sure to go check out the video here and subscribe to my channel right here. Thanks.